Chapter 6, Problem Solving Design. We are going to learn about the design. The design is applied when we know what the system needs. Now let's see what is included in the design. Number 1, output design. It is often the first thing we look at during design. Why? Because it is the first thing that is displayed for the user. It is the face of the system. Number 2, human user interface. It is what the user interacts with. Through it, the user will be able to view the system. Number 3, input design. This design has restrictions, validation, and verifications. The restrictions are the conditions which the system is built upon. The validation is to be sure of the accuracy and efficiency of the system. For example, to make sure that a certain user has the right to access and view the system. Verifications is checking the accuracy of the information that will be input into the system. For example, like the username and password. So if the username and the password are incorrect, then the information will not be validated and the user will be restricted from entering the system. Thus, the input design contains these 3 points. Now we have finished design.